I remember I went to our neighbor who was like 16, 17. And I was like, I want to ask you a question. And I was quite manipulative. I was like, you have to tell me the truth. She was like, what? And then I was like, how are babies made? And then she just looked at me like, and I remember this so clearly to this day. She grabbed like a piece of tissue and like the tiniest drawing with like a pen she drew. She went like that, like a vagina and a penis. So I told my best friend, and we would grab the kids one by one, and I'd be like, guess how babies are made. And most kids were like horrified. A few of them were like, no, that's not how I was made. I was like, how the hell do you know?